What's going on, everyone? My name is Matt and welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be opening up the brand new 6-pack bundles from Paldean Fates. Let's see what we can get. What's going on, everyone? So yeah, like I said, got 5 bundles, so 6 packs each. We got 30 packs. We are just going to roll right through them. Let me just move these over. Get those out of the way. And yeah, we are just going to start ripping. These came out a little bit ago. Haven't been able to open these yet, so I always enjoy the bundles. You know, you're just getting 6 packs. None of the nonsense. None of the stuff you have to, you know, the dice and all that stuff. No promos. You just get to rip right through the packs. Not deal with any of the extra stuff. But yeah, let's see if we can finally get lucky as we get a Palafin on our first hit. See if we can finally get lucky on this set and pull either the Zard or the Mew. So that's our 2 chase cards along with that baby shiny Lechonk that seems to be evading us. Atticus, Cottony, Barboche, and a Mavistiff. As I knock that over, get that fixed up. Perfect. Nothing on pack 2. Yeah, I had five of these left over in the display. Decided I'd just get the last 5 and see if we can get lucky as we get an Arctibax, a Houndstone Hollow. Nice little Arctibax baby shiny. I definitely enjoy on some of these sets when they do the delayed releases. I think it's nice to kind of break it up every 2 weeks. A new product drops, keeps it exciting. As we get a Gardevoir, another one of those. But yeah, especially with these sets you can't get an actual booster box out of, you know, just grabbing, you know, 5 or 6 of these and, you know, you get 6, you get a full booster box right there, so for essentially the same price. We get a Pikachu, Fido. I usually have pretty decent luck when it comes to these 6 packs. Get nothing there. Finally got a decent day outside. So hoping to enjoy some of that after this. It's not very often we get 70-degree weather in March, so gonna enjoy that for all I can. Bergebex, Iono, Illuatrol, Lamigo, Baby Shiny doubling up there to end the first 6 pack. 2, 3, 4 hits out of that. The binder is coming together pretty nicely. Obviously a decent amount of baby shinies that we need to hit. Need those gold cards. Artisan, a Numel, and another Gardevoir EX. I think the last product I haven't opened yet for Paldean Fates, I believe, are the 3 packs with the text sticker 3 packs, which I'll need for the promos for the master set, so I'll probably do another video as we get an Oricorio baby shiny. Yeah, I'll probably do that in the next few videos here. Yeah, hopefully you guys are still enjoying it. I'm sure there'll be pretty constant releases and drops for this, like they did with Shining Fates. They printed that into oblivion. So I would assume they'll do the same. I haven't had any issues. I've seen product pretty much non-stop all over the place, so shouldn't be too difficult to get your hands on for the next little bit here. Magmar, Nemona, Charmander, Winkalone, Artisan, Mankey, Graveyard, and Xatu. And I know I always say this, but I'm going to try and go a little quicker through these because we got 30 packs of them. And at this point, we've seen every common, uncommon, and rare you can think of. Barbosh, Lechonk, Atticus, Donphan, Paldean Wooper Reverse, Fido Reverse, and an Armarouge. Nothing too wild. Sorry about the dogs. Probably saw the mailman. Little. Wooper. Swoobat. Live. Nemona. Pucho. And a Zard EX. Not the one we're looking for. But I will never complain about a Zard. And that ends that one. Bring the next 6 over. Usually, at this point, I'm pretty done with ripping the sets, and I will clean up on singles, but I don't think I can stop until I pull at least one big hit. So, tune in on all these videos to see how many packs it takes me to pull one single art rare. That series could be going months, so hopefully not. Hopefully it ends today. But we'll see. Gotta pull just one eye. We get a duplicate on the Mew EX. Nice card, though. Love shiny Mew. Nice card. I think I need the full art Toadstool, an Alakazam, and then Nemona and Clive when it comes to the trainers. I'll gladly take any of those 4. I'm a big fan of the Shining Alakazam as well. I like that look on that card too. As we get nothing there. Halfway through the entire opening. Again, the pull rates are good. Can't complain about the amount of pulls we're getting. Just seems to be tough to get these alt arts. I don't know if I've had a set that I've had this much difficulty getting an alt art out of the set as we pull a Flittle. Baby shiny. Back to the binder on that one. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people had a lot of issues with Chilling Rain and what else? Lost Origin people had issues with. I think I pulled 2 of the Aerodactyls and 1 of the Giratina. And whatever the other one was that isn't... Hey, we got the Nemona we needed. Perfect. Which one did I not get? Whatever. I think the Galarian Berserker. But I mean, yeah, I didn't have any difficulty with that. Got the Moltres off of a booster box for Chilling Rain. So yeah. Just luck of the draw. Legalized gambling for children. And Stiff, Swoobat, and Magmortar to end that one. 12 packs left. And we make it happen. What's that? Yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying tuning in, watching the adventure, watching me try to complete this master set. obviously will be as we get our third Gardevoir of the bundles. Yeah, definitely excited to keep the channel rolling, jump into some temporal. Picked up a few XY sets that I'll hopefully be breaking into as well. We'll see when, but yeah, I want to jump into start opening up some X and Y and some Sun and Moon that I never opened up. Got in too late, got back in too late. Oh, and we finally, it's not what we were looking for. It's not the Mew, it's not the Zard. But man, that is a beautiful, beautiful Gardevoir EX alternate art card with the baby Wooper in there. Look at that guy. Oh man, finally got an alternate art rare. And man, this card is fantastic. I think it's about a $50, $60 card right now at this point, but I will gladly take our first alt art of the channel. How you doing? It's about time. Fantastic. Wow, that is actually a very nice art. That is super nice in person. Now, I'm not going to get greedy, but just throw me the baby shiny Lechonk, and this will be the best opening on the channel of all time. Get rid of those. 9 packs left. Alright. Thank God. Don't have to go to bed crying tonight. We finally got an art rare. Excuse me. Can't talk, I'm so excited. Charmeleon, Dash Bun, Mousehold, and an Armarouge. Getting a lot of Armarouge today. Still need that baby shiny. Oh, I'm pumped. That's fantastic. First special art rare of the channel. It only took, what?
It's been 84 years.
12 videos? 13 videos? And a baby shiny Scyther. Okay. Alright. Big Scyther fan. I'll take that. Very cool. Very cool, baby shiny. I like that. And last pack of second last bundle. Got 6 packs left after this. Come on. Mousehold. Oh, we got something shiny back there. Link alone. I think it's just a holo. Yeah, I got trolled by that holo. Know what it is. Last 6 packs. I can't beg for an alt card anymore. Let me get the Lechonk or the Pikachu baby shiny. Pika. Vampy. Lapras. Atticus. Donphan. Generator. Little. Lapras and another Xatu. But yeah, like I said, I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Maractus, Dash Bun, Primate, Maractus, Ultra Ball, and another Xatu. Yeah, like I said, definitely hit the subscribe button. I will be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. I'll do an ETB to the winner. I'll either do Paldean Fates or whatever the new set is, Temporal Forces at that point. Hopefully I can hit 500 at that point, but yeah, whoever wins, I'll have them pick whichever ETB they want as I get another Tatsugiri and a Palafin double up. But yeah, 500 subscribers. Let's get to that goal. Hopefully we can get there. Not super soon, but, you know, when we get there, I'll pick a winner from the comments for that giveaway. I'll have you just like this video, and comment under this video as I get a Noivern EX. But yeah, comment under this video what your favorite Pokemon is. And like I said, once we hit 500, I'll pick a winner. So definitely share this video, share the channel out to all your friends. Hit that subscribe button if you're viewing but haven't yet. Let's get to that 500 mark. Like alone, as we have 2 packs left. Maractus, Frigivax, and an Iron Treads EX. Last pack. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Slow roll the last one. Lapras. Old school. Our boy Lechonk. Sharkadet. Atticus. Mousehold. Iono. Reverse Donphan. Clive. And a Mimikyu to end it. Nothing on the last pack. But I'm not going to complain after we pulled our first secret art rare on the channel. Like I said, hit the like button, put a comment down below. Please subscribe, share this to all your friends. Like I said, once we get to 500, we're going to do a giveaway for an ETB. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. We're going to show what we have going on for the binders so far. As you can see, we've got all of the commons, uncommons, reverse holos, regular EXs, regular Terra EXs, everything like that. All complete. Then we get to the baby shinies, where you can see we have obviously quite a few empty spots here. Bunch on this page we need, obviously. Cleffa up there. Lots of empty spots. Good ones here. Then we get to the full arts where we're almost done. Just need the Toadstool and the Alakazam. And right here we just need the Clive. Here you can see where we finally got the first special art rare. And then the promos. Awesome. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks again.